Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the no internet connection try again problem on Facebook. Have you been trying all to no avail to log on to your Facebook page either with the Facebook app or browsers like Chrome and Firefox? Well, worry no more as I am going to walk you through the steps of getting it fixed. Consider subscribing to my channel if you find this tutorial helpful. Also like this video to help my YouTube algorithm reach a wider audience. Thank you. Without further delay, let's get started. If you are using the Facebook app, go to Play Store or App Store to ascertain whether it's updated. Click on Play Store. In the search box, type Facebook. Once you are done, search for it. As you can see, it's not updated. Click on Update and get it updated. Once you are done updating the app, go to your phone settings. Click on Settings. Click on Apps and Notifications. Click on See All Apps. Scroll down and find Facebook. Click on Facebook. Click on Permissions. Give Facebook permission to all of these. Once you are done, go back. Now click on Data Usage. Turn background data on. Turn unrestricted data usage on. Turn it on. Now go back. Now if you are accessing Facebook using browsers like Google Chrome and Firefox, locate each of them and turn on these functions. Click on Chrome. Click on Permissions. Now, turn all these options on. Go back. Click on Data Usage. Make sure background data is on and the unrestricted data usage is on. Once you are done, go back. If you are using Firefox, locate Firefox under the All Apps tab. That is it right there. Click on it. Click on Permissions. Turn on all these options by clicking on them. Go back. Click on Data Usage. Turn on background data by clicking on it. Allow unrestricted data usage. Click on it. Turn it on. Turn on airplane mode. Restart your mobile phone. Once your mobile phone restarts, log on to Facebook and try accessing your Facebook pages. Locate your Facebook page by clicking on the menu icon. Now, try accessing your page again. In this case, I will click on the Digital Bulwark. And this is it, friends. As you can see, it worked. So this is how to fix no internet connection try again problem on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share to others. Thank you for watching.